Did it again. Look at this. What's up? Timmy does fucking stuff. Now I gotta start this water all over again with Bill. Timmy did it again. Timmy did it again. Look at this. We emptied out the good stuff too. Now I gotta do all this over again. Gotta be done all over. All over again. Yep. Oh, look at this. Oh, look, I got to dump it all up. Oh, look at this. Timmy's out. I'm going to get these fucking answers in a minute. I got to dump everything now. Look at this, okay? Where is he? Where is it? Oh.
I don't know. Try hiding.
I know he's hiding. I got to dump everything and start all over again. Everything. Everything's got to be done. Everything. Every fucking thing. We're going to be here not so busy like you guys can. You want me to be like Kyle? Well, we're going to have a change right now. We have a big change. He wants to fuck with me, I'll fuck with him. Look at this. He fucked everything up. I got to start all over again on everything. That wasn't right. Fucking potatoes and everything all over his fucking hand. He is one dead motherfucking cocksucker. One dead motherfucking cocksucker. And I don't give a fuck. Because I do it for the fucking death. I don't give a fuck. Well, for now, you just say no.